Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, select additional settings. And then here please select language and input option. And then please press manage keyboard. After that, here you can turn off additional keyboard on your device. Okay, and then now you can see that the default keyboard on your device is successfully restored. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.